Okay.
Oh, not good.
Prepared to die.
You are dead!
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening!
Yes, 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 yes. Yes. No, no, no!
Oh no.
Perfect!
No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no, I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Yay!
Hello everyone! I will show you how to make this box in this video. First, let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, a lot of things! And all these things I will show you how to do. What's in this box? This is business cards. This can be gifted to friends. I will show you how to make them further. And here are below blind bags. I made them myself too. More. Do not want to stand? Well, let them lie down. Let's open the same. The pink suit is the guard. Do you know his rank? The main, square or circle on the mask. Next bag. It's the wrong number. This is a player 067. Yes? Did this player break his cookies or not? Next package. And what is there? Interesting. This is the weapons. Because the guards were with weapons in the movie. How should they guard such a crowd? Now everything is fine, and I open the fourth package. Do you know who this player is? Move on. Will there be a circle or triangle? I will definitely give you a weapon. Are you interested in opening package? Then stay here. Weapons again? Don't worry, I'll get it done quickly. Just choose the most interesting, in my opinion. Oh, continue. And there are also details. They will be useful to me later. And now I will build a walker. You see a circle on his mask. What's the package, guys? Here's the main character, player number 456. Did you like him? He has a whole cookies. We know that, right? Spoiler. This is the host himself. I like this cape and this mask. I will need this detail in the future. Next blind bag. Opening. Voila! The players 369. This is the minor character. He left the game quickly. Time flew by quickly. The bags are all open. Do you remember how many coffins were in the movie? Such a coffin is very easy to make out of paper. And inside there is Papercraft card. I already cut it out. First is the torso, arms and head. It remains only to fold all the bands and grease with glue. Look how I do it. It's time to connect all the parts. By the way, who noticed that I mixed up the front and back, but then I fixed everything? This is where he belongs. Good looks. Let's open another homemade box. I printed it on high quality paper and cut it out. These are the same sugar cookies in the movie, but I have delicious chocolate chip cookies inside. I so love Milka. Yum yum, yum yum. It was delicious. Finally another mystery box. Opening. Yes, here is constructor. Let's build it together. Judging by the instructions, it will be a coffin, but from the constructors. I will have two coffins, one paper, one plastic. Wondering which one you like best. Looking at her, I will say that I like the plastic one. Some kind of nonsense. I barely figured it out, but I coped with this terrible decision. And this is a design from the room in which the cookies scratch test took place. Some sticks. From this you need to make many multicolored squares and connect them together. The first is ready, the rest are done the same way. Now there will be a speed build. And from this package I will build a larger piggy bank with money, like it's a film, and a ladder for the game. And there is also a slide, like in kindergarten. This remote controls the piggy bank. And this is the piggy bank itself. And look, it is already complete. So this is the final. But wait, don't go. There will be many more useful things for you.